Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing the MFN Performance packages that I just got. Alright, look at that. So my first small box, I have this protein.
Alright, so the first thing I got is this Superior Whey Isolate Protein in flavor of chocolate. So obviously take this after working out. Make sure it's within 30 minutes. Next is my favorite, the Probiotic Excellence. I've taken other probiotic pills before and they never really agreed with my body for some reason, so I took this for the last month and I really love these. These make me feel a lot better, a lot more energized, so I totally see a difference with this one.
Alright, onto my second box. This is bigger. Let's see what these have. I'm so excited.
So the next thing is this Fuel and Repair, which is BCAAs. You want to take this for your muscle recovery. There is 90 tablets in this bottle.
And wow, I got an extra bottle of the Fuel Repair. Thank you, MFN team, so much. This is awesome. Thank you, thank you.
And the next one is this Joint Elite, so it's joint pills. 90 tablets in this as well. Right now they're having a sale, buy one get one free or buy two for one. So this is definitely going to be for support for your joint health as well as flexibility. If you guys know me or have worked out with me or even just hung out with me in person, you guys know that my knees crack. So I definitely like taking this.
And I just ordered a pair of shorts. Look at these shorts, they're super comfy, let me tell you guys. And 3, 2, 1, ta-da!
And I got some free gifts as well. So I got one extra supplement of this one and this coaster, as well as this blender bottle. So yeah, hope you guys liked my little unboxing video. I do have a code. It is SAMYMFN15 for 15% off your order. Be sure to check them out on their site. I will also put my discount code on the video and the description as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys on my next one. Bye.